Welcome all Lemons and people of the world. We are anonymous. This video is for all those who are participating in a revolution. News like the following: how to dress for the protest, how to act at the protest if things get violent, how to get ready and meet fellow brothers and sisters that are also going to the protest, signs that will be shown and tagged on buildings, no to-dos and not to-dos, how to get the police attention if violence is needed, how far to go and not to go if a riot is to break out, how to make certain attire for the protest, how to stop society, how to hack and fuck up websites, how to DOS and or DDoS, how to set up a live stream account, how to remain anonymous at the protest, how to stop people from starting violence, how to show the right amount of respect for everyone to the protest. What our move here is, there will be a memorial for all those who passed by the wrong hand, where we are meeting, how to keep in contact with other protesters in the area, and finally how many people might be at this protest and what are the group seconds participating in this protest. We will start and go from top to bottom. 1. How to dress for the protest. Just like every protest, please make sure to hide your face and identity. Make sure to bring food and water not only for you but for your brothers and sisters as well. Make sure to wear the normal attire. It might get cold but at the same time it might get too hot. If you have one, please wear the V for Vendetta mask or a bandana. 2. How to act at the protest. Be respectful. Please treat everyone with respect. Do not show any violence. Do not show your weapons. Do not start fights. Please chant. Do not yell violent words such as the following: FTP, fuck the police, fuck shit up, kill cops, save lives. Those will not be accepted and can hurt our cause. Yes, police is the main reason for this action, but the police also save lives, and yes, they may take more than save, but at the same time they are a lot like us. We need to open their eyes. One last thing: the climbing of signs at the protest is allowed as long as it is part of stopping society to get more people to listen and is done in a nice and respectful manner, and the climbing of building is allowed as long as it is either to get the police attention or to show how much we will try and get our point across, such as by stopping society. 3. If things get violent. If anything gets violent such as fights and anything but wrongly participate if you are doing it for self-defense. If the police arrive and start to get violent, please note that you are allowed to leave, but don't be scared. We recommend leaving if things get out of hand, such as and the threat of violence is announced. If you are stopping traffic and someone is trying to get through, please let them through. If you are stopping traffic and there are no open lines for traffic to pass, please open one. If someone is trying to start a fight with another protester, please keep everything calm and do not act and try to stop the fight until something is certain to happen. Remain peaceful. Non-peaceful acts are against our cause. 4. How to get ready to meet fellow brothers and sisters that are also going to the protest. There will be further videos posted on this topic about where Anons are going to meet in this area and how they are going to meet. There will be a link in the description to a fellow Anon that is working in the Albuquerque area that will update you on this topic. 5. Signs that will be tagged on buildings. Signs such as the V for Vendetta symbol, the anonymous symbol, the V, the hive, troll symbols, toxic signs, and corruption signs such as etc. lettering. Signs that will not be allowed are words such as FTP, fuck the police, and violent messages. This will hurt our cause. Words such as freedom and love for all and peace will be allowed. If you see someone tagging signs that are not allowed, please ask them to stop. 6. To-dos and not to-dos. Pictures are allowed and respected at the protest, such as cots, badge numbers, graffiti, and live streams. Do not lay down in the middle of road or highway. This is putting you and many of your brothers and sisters in harm's way. If there is a riot started by the police, you can participate, but this is not encouraged. If there is a riot started by the protesters, please do not participate. Both these may hurt our cause. If you get arrested, please don't be scared. We will get your name out and will try our hardest to help. 7. How to get the police attention. Show them we are not scared of them and that we will act if it is needed. The police attention is not called for unless it is needed. How do you know if it needed if there is no one and there is no change from this protest, such as news posted on what the government plans to do on this topic? Get their attention. Beware, a riot is highly recognized in this protest. Please refer to number 6 for news on the riot information. 8. If violence is needed, how far you go and not go. If violence happens, please try to keep it down and not let anything huge break out. If you are thrown into a violent situation, please do not show and me. or act with a weapon unless a weapon is shown by the person who is starting a fight with you. If there is a riot, please do not hurt anyone, but if you get caught up with the group, and don't be scared about any of this. Violence is not here from Anonymous, but if violence is brought to us, we will bring violence to you. 9. If a riot was to break out, as said before, do not participate in said riot unless the police has started said riot. During the last protest, we were practicing our right to freedom of speech and they tear gassed us. In this case, a riot is very proper as the police has started the violent acting. We shall finish it. 10. How to make certain attire for the protest. If you are making special attire for the protest, such as masks, bandanas, and other certain things of that such, please be as creative as possible, but at the same time please share your art around the town. 11. How to stop society. The stopping of traffic on main public streets and the climbing of buildings and signs are great ways of stopping traffic, but please do so in a respectful manner, such as by walking in both sides of the street, stopping in the middle of the street and doing such things. If people wish to pass, please allow them to. Do not stop highways, for that is putting yourself and others in more danger. 12. How to hack and fuck up websites. Hacking a website is becoming obsolete but is still used. The use of the lawyer programs will become useful in attacking a website. Editing the websites and posting them on your social network will work just as fine. Do this by using your Inspect Element console, which is found by right CLCIKING browser and selecting that option. Some browsers may not have this option. 13. How to DOS and DDoS. DOS, also known as a denial of service attack or a distributed denial of service attack, is sued by flooding a website. There will be a link for a download for this subject in the description. 14. How to set up live stream. Live streaming is great and you can use many forms for live streaming. The main one recommended is one such as Ustream.tv. A channel is already made for the Anonymous protest channel, name in the description. 15. How to remain anonymous at the protest. Do not give out your name. Police will say you may be arrested if you don't release this information. This is a lie, and if they do so, they are breaking the law themselves. 16. How to stop people from getting violent. Ask for them to stop and explain you may hurt our cause by doing that failed acts. 17. How to show the right amount of respect for everyone at the protest. Be polite to everyone plus the police. Yes, they are our target here, but we do not consent in violent acts. 18. What our move here is? Our move is to show we are sick of them not listening to us. We will act if we need to, and we will stop society from working to prove that we are sick of our government. We demand change. At this protest there will be others there in support of their government in KPD. We will respect them, but we will try and open their eyes on what is happening. 19. Memorial time. This memorial will be in front of the APD HQ at 10 AM Mountain Time. Location in the description. 20. Location. This protest will be located downtown right by the University of New Mexico, on Central in front of the Frontier Restaurant. The time that this will begin is at 10 AM Mountain Time. More news on this will be released shortly. 21. How to keep in contact with fellow protesters. Keep in touch with the main circle known as Twitter.com, link in the description to our channel. 22. How many people might be at this protest? We are expecting more than 100 people, but there will be people protesting for the police in this matter. Please remain peaceful. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, we are anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. APD in the United States.